YouTube, welcome to my house. If you guys didn't see the last video, me and Phil moved into a brand new house and we are super excited. If you want to watch that video, link will be down below. But today I'm going to be organizing my bookshelves. Last week you saw me revamping my office. This week we're doing the bookshelves. So I've got my 3 bookshelves. And the plan is to eventually do like custom built-ins. But until we have like the funds to do that and the time to do that, I'm going to keep using my old bookshelves. But I'm super excited to finally see my books again. But at the same time, absolutely dreading it because these are all my books right here. There's some more there. You can see Moon is obviously helping out. But yeah, we got a lot to do. So previously my books were organized by color, but since I have all my bookshelves together again, before it was just these 2 brown bookshelves, so it was easier to organize them by color. So any books that didn't fit in that color category were just put in this black bookshelf that was kind of off to the side. It was a place where I kind of just put the rest of my books. But since I have all of them again, I figure it's time to organize by series, most importantly, maybe by author and by genre as well. I'm gonna see how this all works out. Last time I saw you guys, my camera battery died. I was in the middle of unpacking some boxes here, and you can see that they are now completely on the shelf again. It's a few days later. I can't remember when I last worked on my bookshelf, but work got busy, I got tired, and now today is Friday, and I'm going to finish putting the books away. They're organized by series right now, but they obviously look very ugly. So we're just gonna hop right into it. And I am done. I think the camera died again when I was in the middle of doing stuff, but this is my bookshelf. So here we have unread books, like this is contemporary, like books that I've read or series that I read but wasn't totally in love with it. This is like sci-fi / fantasy series is all of this, and I like to display the covers this time. So would you look at all of that? And then up here we have some of my college textbooks that I've just accumulated. Down there is notebooks, old planners, like books that I couldn't figure out where to go, so I just put them there. These are all like historical fiction. These are classics. These are like non-fiction. These are non-fiction writing books. These are some of my favorite adult novels. These are my like horror slash suspense slash other things. Speaking of suspense, Gillian Flynn gets her own shelf. Then we have some of my favorite writing novels. These are all memoirs. Another author that gets her own shelf is Lisa Genova. Then we have, the Beatles get their own shelf. Some of my favorite author tubers. We have Kristen Martin, Kim Chance, and then a few other authors that I either know personally or just know through YouTube. Jenna Moresi, I'm on her street team for her newest novel. These are all my graphic novels. Then we have my books on photography and Photoshop and Adobe and things like that. These are all my books that I've accumulated in college for like literature. Look at this Shakespeare book. It's massive. Look at it. I'm so glad to be done with that. And this book, look at that. That book is abused. Alright, then we have my quote jar, and I actually have my favorite quotes in there. This is a book that I have people sign at all my book signings. And then these are just children's books, you know, like Peter Pan, Wizard of Oz, The Wind in the Willow, Alice in Wonderland. I took a children's literature class once. So that's my bookshelves. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want a bookshelf tour, dare I ask, let me know in the comments down below, and I will try my best to do a tour as soon as possible. Anyways, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.